Hello everyone, this question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of lines and angles. This is first question of its exercise 5.2. So the question says that state the property that is used in each of the following statements. So first is if A parallel to B, then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. So 1 is equal to 5. So यहाँ हमारे पास corresponding angles. So corresponding angle property हो जाएगी. Then in second, if angle 4 equal to angle 6, then A parallel to B. Angle 4 equal to angle 6 हो जाएगा alternate angles. And in third, if angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree, then A parallel to B. A parallel to B है, then 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास interior angles are supplementary. So इनका सम हो जाएगा 180 डिग्री. So first के लिए हो जाएगा corresponding angles, second alternate angles, and third interior angles are supplementary. Thank you.